Hello, flashlight people. I have 3 pieces of top-head flashlights. Cross XT11, dual tail button switch, and premium XML U2 LED in the bottom of pretty fine but dense textured orange peel reflector. Strike bezel, just comes between my fingers like this. This swelling stops my hand when I punch someone's face. It's a tactical light. And so, as I said, it's a floody light because of this deeply textured reflector. It's a throwy light, so I carry this one in the mountain for a night hiking light. So I put this long lanyard for my shoulder diagonal carry, and when I go to neck carry, let it down here and neck carry. Same for this one. It's jet beam BC25, simple light, high and low, just twisting operation. High and low, high, very simple. It's kind of simple. Low, high, medium, low, high, medium, low, and 2 taps strobe. T20CS Sunweatherman, but as you see, this rubber side switch is a bit protruding on the metal base. So I once failed to insert this one into the sheath like this. This sheath is kind of tight and rubbed. The inside the sheath and this lanyard and this rubber button was removed incidentally like this. Inside is like this. And the space between the metal ring and underneath black base is narrow for this base portion. So I was not able to put this rubber button in there for some days, many attempts, maybe 20-40 times, but I was not able to put in there again. And now it's easy because I use this one. Gun oil happens to be gun oil. Any oil will do, maybe. Then it's now very slippery and slip into this narrow gap, this portion, ring portion, as you see. Now it's easy. Not very easy, but surely I can remove I can put in there again in the correct position. Just a moment. Maybe. Okay. Oh, no good. Just a moment. Please let me do it a bit more. I think now it's restored. Please keep in mind this side switch is not very dependable. Maybe. Okay. Anyhow, I didn't like this original sheet and purchased custom Japanese sheet. A bit tight, but it takes the head down. Okay. And this one, T40CS, the rubber button is completely hidden under the metal portion, so it's okay. It's a Troy light BC25. So I'd like to compare this colors with this D25CS U2 version, 550 lumens and 600 lumens. How they compare? The same LED, nearly the same power, and reflector size small, and orange peel is slight. Its texture is hard textured. Okay, so let's compare. Sunwayman T20CS. Wow, pretty sharp lined hotspot, small hotspot. Jet beam. Neutral white BC25, larger hotspot. It makes a ring in the spear area. It's a better light for town use. Okay. Next, my tactical light. Pretty cool tint. Close. XT11. Hotspot is larger than before 2 flashlight. And EagleTac D25C2, it's flood, but the brightest flood in this category, cylinder shape 2-cell powered light, 550 lumens. Hotspot is fuzzy and spirit is pretty bright. Very nice walking light. This is a tactical. Close XT11. Spirit is a bit narrow, but its hotspot is much brighter than 550 lumen EagleTac. This is 550 lumen EagleTac. it's a flood. This is colors, flood and throw, flood. This is colors. This is EagleTac. Okay. EagleTac. Colors. Wow. Colors beam is more tactical. EagleTac beam is more practical walking light. Like this. I hope you had a better idea for your next flashlight. These two flashlight running time will be the same. 1 hour or so. Okay. Spirit size, please compare. Left side, EagleTac is larger. Okay, finished. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. EagleTac and Klaus.